Well, we're pouring our foundation today, and I basically called around, got us several quotes, and I found that the guys that seem to have the best reputation in town for knowing what they're doing and doing a great job were only about 200 bucks more than the really cheap guys. So I decided to go with them, and I called around different concrete companies, and I found that the cheapest way for me to get concrete was for me to pay for it directly to the concrete company, but I ordered it through the guys pouring, and they were able to get like a 15% discount. So definitely worth having them order the concrete and me pay for it. Um, so they put all these 2x6s and laid up all these pads. I've got all kinds of these really thick pads. Some of them are like 2 feet thick in some spots. A lot of rebar in there. Uh, kind of expensive. When you're working with concrete, you got to really work fast. So I'm really glad I hired this out.
So the guys still have their forms on here. You can see them there. It's kind of interesting how they do this. They have these wire ties that hold the two sides of the board together. And of course some concrete leaks out. Some people use aluminum forms, but these are the more economic version. They put in 1/2-inch bolts, these foundation lag bolts, or what is it, J-bolt? I forget what it's called. But anyway, every 6 feet on center, 2 feet from center. We had our engineer spec'd a few of these anchor straps. So this is in case like hurricane style winds come and hit your house, that it's strapping all your lumber down to the foundation a little bit better than just these bolts here. Hey guys, Scott here. Just finished pouring the foundation here. You guys did a great job. I'll flip the camera around here and show you. Remember, we poured our footings and our pads. So footings are this 6-inch by 15-inch wide little pad that we formed up with 2x6s. And then once that was poured with all the pads, then they form up the boards for the walls, and you can see they got the anchor bolts in, and we put 3 vents in. Code requires they're within 3 feet of a corner, so we got one there, and one in that far corner over there for this crawl space. Concrete took about 4 hours to firm up. We waited till the next day to pull it off. Got a few of these hurricane straps in here. They get embedded in the concrete. Pretty simple. Hooked my gas line back up. Then I poured a little more dirt in here and raked out this crawl space so it was nice and smooth. Turned out really great.
Some things I really appreciated about this concrete company is they let me buy my own concrete, which saved me a lot of money because a lot of guys will upcharge it, and yet they let me have their discount, which I really appreciated. They also had me buy all my own lumber for the forms, which I really enjoyed because most of the guys, it was like the same price and they would keep the lumber at the end of the job, where this way I got to keep it. And I was able to use that lumber on other places on the house once I did framing. So as far as process, on day one, they showed up, they laid all the forms, 2x6s for the footings, and then cement truck was scheduled around noon. It came, they poured those. The next day, they pulled off all those footing forms and they laid up all the little walls. And then cement truck came around noon and poured those. Next day, they came and collected all those forms off the walls, and that's it. We were like done. Hey guys, thanks for watching. In my next video I'll show a little bit about laying up the drainage around here, and then we'll keep moving through the project. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time.